heartless. You are telling me I don't have manners. I don't have Look at you.
I'm actually in front of your gate, yes.
Yes, I'm coming. What's all this now? Why are you blocking the road?
Why would you push me like that? Can't you see I'm heavily pregnant?
Heavily pregnant, and so? Are you the first person to get pregnant?
I don't understand. Don't you have heart?
Me?
Are you the heartless?
Me, heartless. See, look, I've heard everything you people used to do in this compound. I know I'm new here, and I've made my research. If you try anything with me, I will show you the kind of person I am.
What did I do to you? Have I done anything wrong to you? Don't you have respect for a pregnant woman? Don't you have manners?
So you are telling me I don't have manners? I don't have Look at you. See, I've heard everything you people used to do in this compound. If you do anything, your husband, everybody in this compound, I would just pack on. You don't know who my boyfriend is. You don't know who my boyfriend is. He's a senator of this country.
Madam, please. Get up. Sorry. Sorry.
Are you the delivery man?
Madam, are you okay? Are you okay? Yes. Lady, are you this Carlos?
What's my business? Please, is that my load? Just give me, let me go. I beg.
Why are you this Carlos? Sorry, madam. Sorry. You did like nothing happened. Look at the person you push on the ground. Like nothing even happened at all. What do you think will happen to you if she loses that pregnancy? No. What do you think will happen to you?
Nothing will happen.
Nothing will happen. Oh my God. I am sure Senator Nwachukwu that I know will never support this your action. He will never support this your action because even this your action is bad for his own political activities. Yes, it is very bad for him to know that somebody that is close to him like that could be behaving towards a pregnant woman. All you are saying is that is that my delivery? Is that my delivery? For God's sake, woman. And you hope to be pregnant yourself one day. Or you don't believe that you could be pregnant like her. I need to snap you that you collected it.
Hey, young lady.
What's this now?
You are saying what is this? What did you do to my wife?
So you go and call the...
Are you okay? Are you okay? You think she doesn't have who to fight for her? You are even telling her that you have senator that... See, like you don't know who I am. We are the most peaceful tenants in this compound. For your information, this house that you are staying is our house. As you are going in now, pack your load. I don't care if you are leaving today. I'm giving you back your rent that you paid. You want to keep my wife in my own house? Are you okay? Did something wrong with you? Sorry, babe. You come and pack your load.
Lady, for your information, all that happened here, I am going to relay to the senator when I get to his office, because you are bad news for his political career. Somebody like you should not be close to that kind of person.
Did I do anything wrong?